It's such a good feeling to wake up in Italy today. Having breakfast with one of my best friends gives me the right boost to keep on my journey. As I head out of Bologna, I can't shake off memories from last night. A vibrant city, alive with the warm hum of summer evenings. People are gathering under a bright moon in Piazza Maggiore, enjoying an open-air cinema and strolling around the city, creating a much different vibe from the quiet evening I spent in Kitzbühel. Not just the landscape is shifting during a motorcycle trip, also our experiences and emotions are evolving along the journey. Right now, I'm heading to Tuscany, ready to meet another brother, Daniele, who invited me for a short ride together to a biker spot in front of the lake. Some years ago, he let me try his Guzzi on first gear in his backyard. That was my first time on a motorcycle, and it was love at first sight. Few riders will trust someone who has never ridden before to hop on their machines. A few kilometers before my destination, something odd happens. A mysterious rider approaches me from behind. I clear some space to let him pass, but instead of going ahead, he closes on my left. He's right next to me. What does he want? Is he bullying me or is he looking for troubles? I give him the middle finger as a universal sign of love on Italian motorways, and I continue towards my next stop, where my friend should be waiting for me. He's still behind me. Wait a moment, but this is my friend Daniele. He recently changed his bike and I had never seen him with his new Kawasaki. Collecting memories together since the 90s. And today, we add another page to our story. He intercepted me when I entered the gallery earlier, made a quick U-turn and started messing around. He always likes to make a fool of me. After a quick chat, we ride to Lago di Suviana in Castel di Casio, where we stop for lunch at a biker spot right in front of the lake. Riding is like dancing. It can be more enjoyable if you have a partner, but you must learn the basic steps on your own first. The Tuscan Hills provide the perfect ground to practice for me, and I'm ready to enjoy some more curves. There are only a few cars on these winding roads, and now, every time a motorcyclist approaches me from behind, I can't help but think that Daniele is playing more tricks.
Questa è naturale, giusto? Così mi chiedo un attimo qua fuori. Ho scelto apposta. Sì. In zona. Sono scappati tutti, ragazzi. Anch'io. Alla fine.
The chat with the barista reminded me once more why I left Italy many years ago. Life can be uneasy in these villages, and most people decide to move to other places to seek a better job and life opportunities. It takes courage and commitment to stay here to try to build something on your own when the currents are not blowing in your favor. The sad truth of the economic situation in Italy, unfortunately. I still have some ground to cover, and tonight I found shelter inside a castle. I have no idea what to expect, but I'm getting ready to enter the citadel. If you're enjoying my video so far, please consider subscribing. Thank you and see you next time.